Hey, Bizarre Bullet Train. Terri Strutton here. I am going to talk to you guys about how to have it all with cooking shows this summer. So if you've never tried cooking shows before, I assure you it's fun and it can be very profitable, just like our virtual parties. And people still want them. As much as you may hear the alternative, they do. They want them. So don't be afraid to try them out this summer. Summer's a great time for cooking shows because people are ready to eat. They've been working real hard to get into that swimsuit, and now they're like, woohoo, beers for everyone. So they're ready to cook fun things, and they want to do it together. Equals party equals cooking party, right? And that's what we do. And especially on the grill. So my first tip is to pick a theme. Try this one. Bear Grylls. Baregrills. Right? Okay, cool. I made it up. It's super vague, but it sounds hilarious. So you're getting that hook, but then you're also easily able to change up the menu at will, which is pretty cool. I suggest sticking with one theme and no more than 2 to 3 menu options or recipe options. But that's just me. I like to keep things simple. So, summer's basically a 3-month season, so that could work. You can choose how you want to do that. You can say, I'm offering this recipe for my Bear Grylls summer theme in this month. Or you can say, I'm offering these 3 recipes all summer long. Your choice. Use any grill that's available. So our PC grill pans are amazing because you can talk about cookware, all of our cookware. You can also talk about that they are power tools. And we always want to showcase things like that. But then you can also talk about all the other things that come with our grilling tools, like our tongs and some of those more everyday items that are not that everyday big money spending thing. So our grill pans, our indoor-outdoor grill is awesome because people are picnicking. They are, they're going to be out and about vacationing, camping. Hey, April. Doing all of those fun outdoor things. But then you can also sell them on the indoor version because differently than a big, Traeger or whatever kind of grill they may already have or have heard about or might be thinking about purchasing. The indoor-outdoor grill is multi-seasonal, all right? Don't just need it for outside. Or the host's grill. We have so many awesome grilling tools for the grill that they already own. So don't count that out. Well, let's see. Oh, I keep missing my spot here. So if none of those options are available to you, take your rock crock. And talk about how it's used on the grill too. Guess what? You're still in the grilling theme. Or you can borrow a grill from a friend or host your own grilling party and use the host rewards to get your very first Pampered Chef grill. And trust me, you'll use it all the time. My grill pans are one of my most used items. Every week, every day. I love it so much. And there's a great grilling 101, not 101, but like a training thing about how to use the grill pans in your shows and the verbiage you can use for that. It's perfect. All right. And the best thing about grilling parties is that you don't have to create some new recipe. Guess what? Ever heard of fajitas at a cooking show? Yes, of course you have. Everybody does that. And you can still use the fajitas recipe and outline with your grill. Do the chicken and the veggies on the grill. It's awesome. And you can do that with any of our grilling products on a regular grill as well, or just do the chicken breasts. Maybe you have the close and cut, butterfly it, put it on a regular grill, and just do the chicken breast that way. And then throw the veggies, in the rock crock in the microwave or on the stovetop, however you want. So lots and lots of ways you can use the products that you already have in a grilling theme. Or use your own favorite show recipe and grab a fresh pineapple or some fresh peaches, which are totally in season, and grill them. Oh my gosh, the best and easiest, most wowing dessert is to grill fruit. Heck, grill strawberries. Heck, are you making margaritas? Grill the limes. It's going to take everything up a notch. I mean, grill all of it. And they're just going to be like, we love grilling parties. And you can use your whipped cream maker to add fresh whipped cream onto your grilled fruit. And I'll even post a very simple, well, all ganache recipes are simple, but a really awesome ganache recipe in the comments when I'm done that you can use with your grilled fruit and fresh whipped cream and chocolate ganache. To die for. What about grilled pizza on the rock crock grill stone? We have tons of pizza recipes. Just pick an easy one and show them some grilled pizza. People will die for that. They'll love it. But just pick one, okay? Just pick one and stick with it. All right, so you've got your theme. What about getting people to host? Well, when you play the game of bookings, you either win or you die. No, I'm kidding. Here at Pampered Chef, we don't beg. So it's all about sifting through the contacts and finding those hosts who are dying to have a fun summer party. They have those 2 weeks between the kids' summer camp and band camp and, right before ball season starts up, summer ball starts up, and they're just wanting to do something fun for themselves with their adult friends, with maybe some adult beverages, an adult conversation, and you. You can bring that to their home and to all of their guests who are feeling the same way. Maybe they want some pool and margaritas. They're out there. You just have to get your ass out there and here's some no thank yous, too busy to get to the, oh my gosh, yes, that would be so fun. We just opened the pool. All right. And we've been wanting to have some people over. It ain't personal when you get the, oh no, I'm going on vacation all summer. I'll be at the lake all summer. Say, hey, where's your lake house? I'll come out there. It'll be great. It'll be my vacation. Because it is your mission to find and save Mary Margarita and Poolside Peter from having a dull summer. Okay? It's your mission. I'm giving that to you. Now, go be a hero and do some green dotting. Okay? I'll post some verbiage for you in the comments as well. So look for ganache and green dot verbiage for your grill theme. All right, so you've got your theme, you've got your host. What about getting guests there? I know, that's everybody's thing. Oh, everybody's on summer break. No one's going to be there. Everybody's on vacation, right? Well, maybe, but not all at the same time. Summer's 3 months long. Okay, so you'll have at least somebody there. And guess what? It's called outside orders. And all of those vacationers should be considered worth asking by the host. The rules they don't change in summertime. Invite 15, you'll have 3. Invite 50, you'll have 15 to 20. All right. And you'll have a qualifying party. Coach heavy on the outside orders, guys. Outside orders are still orders. And it doesn't matter if you have 5 people in the party, but you have 10 outside orders, good party. All right. It doesn't matter how you get there. Even play a game with it. Try maybe encouraging your host to collect 5 or 6 outside orders and play like an outside orders bingo. somebody from out of town, somebody who's specifically going on vacation, someone who's specifically going on a beach vacation. There you go. Or someone who specifically has just prior plans, period. And then maybe your blank space. That's 5 outside orders. And that's really fun for them. Like they have to go hunt out the people that can't come and ask them to place an order. All right. How about that? It's all about host coaching. It's all about how you wrap the present. Okay. If you wrap it with fun glittery paper and, some salt and lime, then you guys are going to do just fine. Have confidence, and so will your host and your guests. All right? So you have a mission. Go be a hero, a summertime hero to your hosts, because they're just waiting for you. You guys have a great night. See you later.